Hello. This is an overview of the Hackathon Playbook. Hackathon Playbook is a framework for running a student competition. It is not a normal curriculum. You do not need instructor training to use this curriculum. The purpose of this framework is to reinforce and deepen a student's IoT knowledge through defining, designing, prototyping and presenting an IoT solution. There are 5 phases to the competition: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. This is the informed design cycle. It's just one way to help students break down the steps they will use to clarify, develop, revise, and communicate their ideas. The goals of the hackathon are for teams to identify, design, prototype and present a functional IoT solution. Not only does this help students with their technical skills, but also with their soft skills, including critical thinking and problem solving, creativity, communication and collaboration with their teammates, and inspire their entrepreneurship. You are better off not to try and run this contest entirely by yourself. Involve instructors in your department and others, as well as local businesses, community members, and mentors. Determine the theme of the hackathon well before the event. The theme and the resulting challenge can be virtually anything, but it is recommended to narrow it down to provide focus for students. Don't be too restrictive or you will stifle creativity. Get a speaker who can prepare an inspiring presentation for the hackathon opening. Take a look at some of the inspiring videos at TED.com. Students should only learn the theme and the challenge on the first day of the hackathon and not before. Providing the theme to students before the hackathon tends to limit the creativity, and students tend to come to the event with fixed ideas for prototyping and are not open to the input of other team members. On the first meeting for the hackathon, introduce the management team, explain the hackathon process and pick diverse teams. The more students from outside the IoT class the better. Involve students with engineering, programming, electronics, math, English, and networking backgrounds. The more diverse the team the better. Give teams some time to get to know each other. Now introduce the theme and present the problem that needs to be solved with 1 or 2 examples of current solutions. This step could take from a few hours to a few days. Now that they know the theme and problem to solve, they will start defining possible solutions. This is the solution they will work on for the rest of the hackathon. Schedule many expert checkpoints that allow students to gain feedback from mentors in different fields. Have them develop a storyboard that describes the user experience in the form of a storyboard/timeline. Now they are ready to prototype, test, and refine their IoT device. Again, use expert checkpoints that allow students to gain feedback from mentors in different fields. During this phase they will develop a flowchart, schematics, topology, and sequence diagram for their solution. The goal is to develop a working model or prototype. The final prototype consists of an end-to-end solution using sensors, actuators, and other components, embedded programming on the edge, data transport over a network and a cloud application, all supported with a functional business model in mind. They should have a marketable product. Finally, they will develop a presentation to present to a panel of judges. They will present their hackathon map and the working prototype. Students will show the judges and the other teams how their concept will impact the world. Think of this like the TV show Shark Tank, where teams will be presenting their idea to the judges and the judges will pick a winner. What is a hackathon map? The hackathon map helps students, mentors, and judges to get a clear understanding of the project. It must contain the problem definition and solution, a flowchart, sequence diagram, end-to-end topology, electronic circuit diagram/schematic, and a business canvas model. You can find examples of these on my website. All the documents you will need to run the Hackathon playbook are located in the framework and on the instructor page of my website. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me.